Good morning everyone. I'm Deepika and I'm going to teach you articles today. So before we start, let's see the basics of the topic. These you've done in the earlier classes. The English alphabets are divided into two main parts. One is vowels and the other is consonants. Let's see. Let you remember the vowels. These are the 5 letters A, E, I, O, U. So these are our vowels A, E, I, O, U. But what we call matras in Hindi, which gives sound to a word. Okay. The next part is consonants. Consonants, apart from A, E, I, O, U, the letters which are left in the English alphabets are called consonants. So, if you delete A, E, I, O, U from the English alphabets, the rest of the letters are consonants. So, this is the basic which you need to know for knowing articles. Now, let's see what are articles. Articles are 3 words, a and the. Alright, so let's take the first one. Let's take them one by one. A. A is used. One common thing between a and the is that all the 3 articles are used for singular noun. Anything which is singular, they are prefixed with a and the. But the difference between them you'll come to know when you know about the specific usage of all these 3 articles. A is prefixed before a consonant, always before a consonant sounding word rather, like a boy, a girl, a hat, a house, any word which is starting from a letter except vowels. Okay? Except A, E, I, O, U sound, whichever word starts from other letters will be prefixed with a. Let's see it with example. As I said, a boy. So, boy is starting with B. B, B sound, which is not a vowel. A cat. Now, cat is starting with C, which is again not a vowel. It should not start with a vowel sound and it should be singular, will be prefixed with a. Now, let's come to an. An will be prefixed or will be put in front of those words which start with a consonant sound. Remember, it's not, vowel sound. It is not a vowel, but it's a vowel sound. Like an honest man. Now, honest, as pronounced, it's written like honest, but pronounced as honest. So, it is something to do with the sound. That honest starts with, it is pronounced with the sound of O, not with the sound of H. Therefore, it will be prefixed by an. Thus, to summarize, an will be used where the word starts with a vowel sound. It should start with a vowel sound. An egg. So, as it is written also with a vowel, starts with a vowel and pronounced also with the sound of vowel. So, it's a simple thing to understand. Why did I use this example, an honest man? Because we are supposed to focus on the sound of the first word. Okay, it should start with a vowel sound. Whichever word will start with a vowel sound will be prefixed with an. I hope it's clear. We'll be doing more exercises on this to make it clear, because in grammar you need to practice more and more of exercises like in mathematics so that the concepts become clear and it has a permanent place in your memory. Now let's come to the. The is used before the special words or the unique words, which are unique means one in them, only one of their own type. Like, very simple, sun, the sky, the star, the earth. Okay, so these are all unique in themselves. Sorry, my marker is not working properly. The sun, the moon. So these are all special words. Okay, so they are prefixed with the article the. They are also used to specify those words in a sentence which have been referred earlier. Like, Sita came first in class. She is the only girl who comes first consecutively since 5 years. She is the only girl. Means I have been already talking about Sita, and I'm referring to her again, to that specific girl again. So for that also I use the. Alright, so let's have a recap of the. The is used before the special words like which are unique in themselves. The sun, the moon, the sky, the earth, as I gave you examples. Apart from that, other than that, the is also used to specify those things in a sentence which have been already talked about. Okay? So, in the next video, we'll be discussing more of exercises based on these articles. I hope I am clear with the basic concept. Let's see. Let's catch up in the next video so that this concept becomes have a permanent place in your memory. Thank you so much.